Hello guys, my name is Chandrabhushan Singh, currently working as a product manager at Smooper, and today we are going to talk a little on Twitter analytics, and how it can help in your product engagement growth. So Twitter, a platform that changed the shape of a social media marketing, it has in just a few years become such a supreme space for your products and brands to target your potential customers. Today, Twitter boasts to have 350 plus million of active users per month, each trying to market their brand and get the maximum amount of targeted users from their campaign. According to a research, there are more than 500 million tweets done each day, and it's on a constant scale since quite a significant amount of time now. Also, according to a study by Hootsuite, more than 9% of the users are contributing to this daily activity and has been constantly increasing since then. It has been also be found that out of the total B2B businesses available in the globe, more than 70% of the organizations are using Twitter for their business, and this has proven to be one of the most effective channels. Looking from a user's perspective, Hootsuite has analyzed that conversions from Twitter ads are more, and most of it contributing because of influencer marketing. So, do you really want to miss out on this targeted audience? No, right? But it's not only about the tweets on the product. When you're marketing on Twitter, the next important step after posting your tweet is analyzing how your tweet or your advertisements or videos are performing on this social channel. Let's discuss some strategies on leveraging Twitter analytics that can add value to your tweets and Twitter marketing strategy. So the first thing that we need to go through is analytics webpage. This is the place where all the analytics research starts. Just visit this Twitter webpage and enter your Twitter credentials, which is analytics.twitter.com. You can also access it from your Twitter homepage, or just click on the Twitter profile icon present on the top right corner of your screen and select analytics from the list. So our next point is targeting with tweet highlights. I love this section of tweet highlights on Twitter, where you can view detailed insights of how any particular tweet or all of your tweets are performing. Some of these parameters include the number of tweets, your tweet impressions, the number of people visiting your Twitter profile, the number of followers increased or decreased, or total impression on any tweet, the number of likes, the details expanded, etc. With all these data available at your screen on a single click, you can almost track anything with regards to your targeted audience. One use of this data is you can check which of your tweet is performing the best among all your tweets. Using this, you can understand what are users actually looking for with this tweet. With all these insights, you can create another post similar to the one earlier that would possibly bring in a higher audience engagement. Now, the third point is the tweet tabs. Another page you would like to explore more about in the Twitter analytics section is the tweet activity page. If you are running a marketing campaign on Twitter, this is the page for you where you can view your tweet engagements over custom duration up until 91 days. By default, Twitter shows up until 28 days of engagement rates, but you can extend this time period up to 91 days and analyze your campaign result. Now, depending on these results, you can enhance your campaigns or increase your engagement and targeted audience. You can also use the date range functionality for custom days, as in you want to view the engagement rates from April 2019 up until May 2019. Just click on the select date tabs and then select the time duration and finally click on save. Coming to the most important part of our Twitter lesson here is analyzing your followers' interest. Twitter has done an excellent job of viewing the interest of your followers in just a single click. Now, depending on the data that you have from your tweets, you can enhance your campaigns accordingly and create ways to target your campaigns. Now, another thing to note here is that you can also figure out if your campaign is actually targeting the required audience or not. If it doesn't, then your tweets, and your tweets are irrelevant for users that are currently viewing it, ultimately you are wasting money on your campaigns. So take a clear look at this section and monitor them to understand if you are hitting the right audiences or not. Now, another important point to discuss about is understanding consumer buying styles. Twitter is famous for producing more amount of paid users in your sales and marketing funnel than any other social media channel. They have clearly done a great job in understanding the data required from the user's perspective and how it can be helpful in increasing branding. One of such awesome analytics data is understanding the gender of your targeted audience and also their buying styles. Depending on their buying styles, organizations can modify their sales funnel accordingly and create another campaign based on the current buying style. This in turn increases engagement and conversion level exponentially. Using this data, using such an excellent data, I must say, you can design your next campaign now.